In your country, is it important to be on time?
Uh, I think it doesn't depend upon a country, but from my opinion, I think it should not depend upon a.
But why did you say it doesn't depend? I think because the question is that in your country, is it important to be on time? Yes or no? Simple question,
Uh,
right?
in my opinion, yeah, it is important to be on time. Like being punctual is a very good habit for personal and personality development. So being on time. So to answer your question, being on time is a good thing and it's important in my country.
Okay. You can. How do you say negative?
Uh, no, in my country, it's not important to be on time. Everybody is least bothered about the things being happened. So it is okay to be non-punctual and doing the works or suitable for individuals on their time.
Okay. Not clear, but still, you can say the vast majority of people they don't care. They don't seem to care about time at all. Like wedding ceremony, appointments, the people try to reach the deadline, right? So they do not do before time. They do after the time. So these things we required, and yeah. So I personally think that people are not punctual in my country. There are exceptions, so I will talk about later, inshallah.